Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to get and use teleport filter or effect on TikTok. So the process is pretty simple. Make sure your device is connected to the internet and after that search for TikTok application. Click on TikTok. Now go to discover button. Now you can click on search and search for teleport. So the teleport effect is here. Click on this. Now you can add to favorite for future use, and if you want to shoot right now, click on the camera button here. Now you have to show your full picture and put your hand in front of you. So see, it's working. So teleport filter is working like this. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.